Welcome dear students. Now I am going to discuss about abstract noun. First of all, look at the examples I have given here. Kindness is a great virtue. Kindness. He burst into laughter. Laughter. He is brave since his boyhood. Boyhood. These three nouns, kindness, laughter, boyhood, they are all nouns. And these three nouns are indicating the name of, first one, kindness. It is indicating the name of, quality. Name of quality. Laughter. It is indicating the name of action or the name of activity. Boyhood, it is indicating the name of state or condition. And these are all, kindness, laughter, boyhood, these are all abstract noun. That means, as the definition, we can say that abstract noun is generally the name of any quality, the name of any action, or the name of any state or condition which is considered separately or which is considered apart from the object to which it belongs. It will be clear if we give some more examples. For example, I am telling Ram is kind. Ram is kind. We can also say Jack is kind. We can also say John is kind. Look here, we can say Ram is kind, we can say Jack is kind, we can also say John is kind. Therefore, we can also talk about the name of the quality kindness apart from or separated from the object to which it belongs. That means separated from or apart from Ram, apart from Jack, or apart from John. Apart from them or separately from them, we can use the name of the quality kindness, or any other object which has the same quality, or any other person who has the same quality. From that object separately we can use the name of this quality, that is kindness. And this is abstract noun. And another thing also, you should note that abstract noun generally cannot be touched or cannot be seen. Sometimes it can be seen, like laughter. It can be seen but cannot be touched. That's why we can say that abstract nouns cannot be touched. And some other topics also, how we can form or how we can make abstract nouns. First, look here, kindness. Kindness, this is abstract noun. It is formed from kind, that is adjective, kind plus ness. That means abstract noun can be formed from adjective. After adjective, by adding any suffix, we can form abstract noun. Similarly, laughter, this is also abstract noun, and this abstract noun has been formed from laugh. It is verb, and thereafter here it is suffix. That means abstract noun can also be formed from verb by adding any suffix like this. And thereafter boyhood, This is also an abstract noun. and it is formed boy plus hood. Boy, it is common noun, and with the common noun, by adding the suffix, this abstract noun is formed. That means abstract noun can be formed by adding suffixes with the adjective, with the verb, with the common noun. That means from the adjective or from the verb or from the common noun, we can make abstract noun by using suffixes. Okay.